everyone. So now the face masks have been made mandatory as of Wednesday. I thought I'd try and make some. So since Friday, I've seen about 3 or 4 videos on Facebook about how to make a face mask out of socks. So I went through my sock drawer and tried to look for some socks that I'd worn that I'd be prepared now to have next to my mouth and nose, and there was not any. So I've gone and bought some socks. I could only find these stripy ones, so they'll have to do. So what I'm going to do is attempt to make the face mask and see how I go. All right, so there's 2 different ways that you can do it. So both of the ways you have to cut the toe off first. So let's just do that. Oh, the scissors aren't fantastic. Oh, gosh. Okay, that's that. And then it also said you had to cut this bit off, which is a shame because it's so nice, but that's okay. So if we cut it about, maybe say here. Gosh, I hope that's right. Now, it's a little tricky because the scissors aren't that great. Okay, so then there's that. So now, God, you must have to cut here. Here we go. And just not the whole way up, obviously. That'll do, I think. And here. Hold on, I'll just. Okay, so that's one, and it's cut like that. Now, the one I saw, I think then you cut down here. Okay, so let's do that. Keep cutting. It's a little bit hard because my scissors are not that great. And okay, so now we turn it like this. So now what we do, apparently, is go like so. Oh, hold on. Hang on. Sorry, I'll just move my hair out of the way. Okay, so that's face mask number 1. All right, and then the other way is a little bit different. Actually, I don't mind that. I can breathe in that, and that's my trouble with the other mask. I can't really breathe. All right, so maybe I like it. All right, so let's see how we go with the other style. And I'm gonna just try. I bought a 6-pack of socks because that's all I could find. It was 5 packs, $7 for 5 socks. So I thought if I can make 5 masks for that, then that's not bad. So this one, actually, I'll just use the other sock. So maybe, right. So we still need to cut these bits off. All right, so we cut it. Now, the one that I saw before this other way, which is pretty similar, I'm wondering if that sock was a bit bigger than this style. Anyway, we'll see. Oh. This helps if you've got sharp scissors. Oh, that's better. And then we still cut it this way for the tie bits. And this one. There we go. And then what they did is they just had it like so. I'm not actually sure how that one worked. Just like this. Okay, well, God. Well, I'm not sure. Oh, that one's probably not as successful. So I think we'll go back to the first one. And this is our homemade mask. It probably should be. We probably can make it. Look, I think that's not bad. I'm okay with that. So there you go, homemade sock mask from a sock. It looks good. Yeah, I'm happy. All right, well, good luck, and I'm off to make some more.